Hello guys, welcome to this video. I know it's gonna be a different video, putting my face out there now, and I wanted to do this for a while, and I just decided, okay, let's do it. Why not? This beautiful weather, bike, everything, all jolly, right? So, the reason for me making this video is that I wanted to formally introduce myself and talk about how I am gonna take this YouTube channel moving forward. It's not gonna be that different, but yeah, the changes would be quite significant, but for the best. Since I have decided to go on tours this coming summer, probably next month, and I was gonna film it, document it, put it on YouTube as usual, but having this like a human touch, personal touch, you guys now see my face, you guys can like have that image in your head, and yeah, it's just gonna be like more personal, more fun, and yeah. So let me just introduce myself. My name is Siddesh. You can call me Sid for short. I've been here in Dublin, Ireland for last 5 years. Came here to study masters. Since then I work as a software engineer full-time, and I've been riding for like 10-12 years. So this R1 being the dream bike, and I got it at this age. So very happy, and I can't wait to go on a lot of tours, document landscapes. As you guys know, I love sceneries, I love to capture it, and I haven't seen much of Ireland because I was waiting for the moment like this. To go travel, excuse me, and now I can. So I want to go to different counties. The first destination is still in the air, but I'm gonna look into Wild Atlantic Way. I have discussed before as well, but now I want to do the Wild Atlantic Way, not the full through 26. It's 2600 miles, I think, or kilometers. But yeah, it will take like 2 weeks for me. But I wanna keep it short, simple for my first ride, plan properly. If you guys have any suggestions, just like drop into the comments. If you guys have been around here, Ireland mostly, then I want to go to full Europe tour as well. Take my bike from ferry to ferry, from island to island, and yeah, I want to enjoy this whole journey, share it, vlog it with you guys, and yeah, some cool memories along the way. And I'm not gonna do any kind of reckless things, and yeah, keep in mind just that I have responsibility, and I'm gonna handle this machine in disciplined manner. So I'm just gonna keep looking aside because the sun is directly in front of me, but I had this shot just because the bikes look good. So now you guys can have more things to say in the comments, talk to me, have a chat, have a conversation, and I would really love chatting with you guys always, and I always reply to the comments. So thank you guys for watching, and welcome to this video, welcome to this new chapter. Basically, I'm gonna just start off for the fun. Okay, here we go.